Hey everybody, hello, how are you? Hope you are well. Now I just thought it'd be a good idea to show you my unboxing video of the Innovv K3 and to let you know a little bit more about Innovv themselves. They have a number of products that are available. They've got this one, the K3. They've got a K5, which is a 4K unit, which has 4K at the front and 1080p at the rear. The issue that a lot of people have with that is that the 4K unit at the front has its DVR alongside the camera. I think that's something to do with the amount of data that needs to be transmitted from one side to the other. This particular unit comes with a couple of mounts for the cameras, front and rear, and also a mount for the switch to turn it on and off. It also comes with a microphone and various different sticky pads to put it wherever you need to on the motorbike. So my next video on this will show you what I've done with the BMW R1250 GS and how I fitted it. So this is my interpretation of what goes where, and I'm going to do it from a panel by panel point of view because I've looked on YouTube and not many people have done that. There are some unboxing videos and some are probably better than mine because all I'm doing is showing you boxes, pulling out of a box. I never understand the reasons why people do these, but they do. That's the power converter, and you've got the yellow switch wire, and you've got the red and black, one being positive, one being negative. You can work that out, I'm sure you can. And then you've got the stepper there that converts the power from 12 volt down to 5 volts, I believe. And then you've got the DVR unit itself, which sits nice and snugly underneath the back seat. But also you will have the GPS unit, which is coming out of the box in a few seconds time, and various different plugs which are all waterproof, IP67 rated, which basically means that they're not going to corrode, possibly not going to corrode. Anyway, time will tell. I might even wrap a little bit of tape around them, but anyway, there we go. So that is pretty much an unboxing video. As I said, I have absolutely no clue why people do these, but they do. And various different people enjoy watching them. If you're one of those people, then stick your comments down below. If you are not, then please don't. And don't forget, if you like this type of video and the way that I review things or take the mickey out of things or just basically have a laugh, then please subscribe for more stupidity. The other thing that I would like to just say is they also do a K2 unit. Whoops, get in focus. They also do a K2 unit, which I think is 1080 at the front and 720 at the rear. This particular unit that you are looking at, I paid £299 for, which I think is a fair price really. And that little red thing you see in there is going to allow me to splice into getting some switched live, and it comes with various different instructions as well, which obviously I'm not going to read because that would just be stupid, wouldn't it? Or clever, one of the two, and I am neither clever or stupid. No, anyway, you know what I mean. So there's various different instructions. I think there is a couple of things that people moan about the K2 and the K3, and that's the app is a little slow. But we'll wait and see. I don't know. I think the K5 is a lot quicker, but let's go on. Let's go and have a look. So there you go. That's my unboxing video, or my interpretation. And let's rip the bike apart in the next video and see where I'm going to put it.